Walang pera sa online. Tigilan mo na yan. Mythbuster tayo. Wala daw pera sa online. Puro drawing, puro scam. Sayang ang oras mo. Reality? Maraming pera online. Ang tanong lang, alam mo ba kung paano? Kasi yung mga nagsasabing walang pera online, kadalasan hindi pa nila nahanap ang tamang sistema, or mali ang inaplayan, or wala silang proper mentorship at community. Let's break it down. Online business is not just a system with a magic button, but it is a smart system. Hindi siya get rich quick, pero with the right platform, automation, and training, pwede kang kumita in a smarter, more flexible way. Lalo na kung parent ka, or busy immigrant, or healthcare worker katulad ko. Ang digital business is the modern way families earn extra income. Sa panahon ng layoffs, inflation, at overtime culture, yung online business ang nagiging lifeline ng maraming pamilya, including ours. If walang pera online, bakit ang daming pamilya ang nakakaahon because of it? Hindi pera ang wala. Minsan, tamang information ang kulang. And that's why we share this opportunity. Para may access ka sa legit, guided, step-by-step system na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo the same way it helped us. The truth? May pera online. May opportunities. May success stories. Ang tanong, ready ka bang i-disprove ang myth para sa sarili mo? It works. Walang pressure, wala ring commitment. Join our free info session. Let's talk about how parents and immigrants like us found hope and income online. The smart, ethical, purpose-driven way. Mag-register lang sa aming libreng info session and gather facts, not just hearsay. Visit www.maryroseangeles.com to get the much-needed info. Have a great day and stay blessed.